Hello, my name is Jessica and today I'll be showing you our Bushnell Pro XE. In the box you will find the Bushnell Pro XE, manuals, and your free carry case. To turn your Pro XE on, please remove the battery cap at the back, the plastic from inside, and place your battery cap back on. To activate the slope addition, please push the toggle to the left. To disable the slope addition, please push the toggle to the right. Your device is now ready to use. Enjoy your game.